I was at the university a few days ago. It felt nostalgic. It reminded me of my days at the university, the energy, the atmosphere, the vibes, the students, the lectures, and so on. There is just so much to tell. I saw students rushing from one lecture to another, while some were chatting with their friends and having a cup of coffee and croissants at a restaurant. A couple of others were at the reading lounge, catching up on previous lectures and reading up for their next classes. It is fun and interesting to see young minds in an academic environment. I noticed the vibes and energy, but I also noticed the differences from the time I'd studied. A few things have changed. For sure, studying has become harder and distractions have increased. Students have generally become lazier and less interested in traditional education. They now have less attention span during lectures and easily feel weak and tired. Also, assignments are not submitted on time, and they always look for easy ways to complete their assignments. Now, in the days of AI and ChatGPT, originality and creativity have become rare among them, and many of them settle for copying each other or just copy and paste materials from the internet without deep studying. More and more tutors and lecturers have become frustrated with the way the students learn and wish they could change the path they are going. But it seems so hard because the students easily get upset and don't want to be corrected or instructed. It also becomes harder for the authorities to manage the system and the issues that always come up with the students. Alas, there will be a need to find solutions to these problems before things get out of hand and life becomes more difficult. Hopefully, I'll discuss some of these issues in the future. Do share this post if you enjoy it. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookminds247@gmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact +31,685,154,335 WhatsApp message only. For support and sponsorship, contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Stop looking for a job, work is with you. 2. Financial empowerment. 3. The means of money. 4. 7 ways to crystallize your ideas. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.